He's getting pretty good at this.
He's documenting for all the grandkids and the children. So he made a YouTube channel, and
he does everything, and then we go off and do stuff while he edits.
We go have fun while he works.
So we got this recording, so we will edit it, and you can we'll edit it, and you can move from one side to the other.
Oh yeah, okay. So guess where we are?
We're at Glacier National Park. Here we are.
We've arrived.
And we're going to take a ride on the trail, the road. What's it called?
Going to the sun.
Going to the sun.
It's open all the way, so we're going as far as it will let us.
All right. I'm Mike.
I'm Leanne.
I'm Dawn.
And I'm Glenn.
And we are
The
Four Nomads.
On our way to a trip of a lifetime. We're headed to Alaska. Follow us.
Or bust.
Watch us. We'll try to put up some videos as we go. So we have driven going to the Sun Road up to the Avalanche Lake trailhead. And so we're going to walk the trailhead, Avalanche Trail. And so we'll take a few pictures and videos as we do that. Check out the size of these trees that are in here. Look at the base of this tree. There's actually two trees coming out of it. What do you see?
Oh, look, it's just so pretty and peaceful.
Yeah.
The snow-capped mountains out there.
Right, yeah.
And then just a rocky cliff in the other direction. And
Oh, the rocky cliff is here. Yeah, I see.
And then just the sound of the water. This would make a great place to camp.
Oh, yeah.
Bears probably like it.
Yeah, they might even fish here.
Yeah, oh, yeah.
I don't know if there's any salmon here.
I don't know, but
We know there's trout.
Trout.
We know there's trout. There's Glenn. Look at him standing over there by that tree. Just another waterfall. Look at all these trees that are down. Look at all the moss growing on these rocks. How blue the water is, how clear it is. Go see how cold it is.
I know.
Let me have your stick. Got you recorded. Don't fall in. Check out the mountain right there ahead of us.
Oh, my.
Yeah, I'm getting that. I'm recording it. Notice the stream that's coming down off of the mountain. It's a very small stream of water from the snow melt that's up coming off the top of the mountain. Check out those mountains. So look at this forest. It's amazing. It's beautiful.
this is a hike Michael could do.
Yeah.
He could do this one.
Yeah.
He could not do the other.
Look how pretty this is. Look how clear the water is. I don't know if you can see that. I'll take a picture with my phone. But look at that. The water is streaming around two sides of this little island here. That's a boulder.
I would say that's a boulder.
Yeah.
That's almost a mountain. And then
Yeah.
down behind it.
Look at the moss growing on it.
Yeah.
So pretty. Look at this. Look at that. Look how twisted up that tree root is and stump. You think there might be a bear out there, Dawn?
I think there's lots of things out there.
Any number of things.
So this trail is very easy to walk. This is an example of some of the rougher terrain that you have to climb. But there's a lot of rocks in place. It almost like nature made some steps for us. Look at this. Look at this. Nature's way of making a trail. We have some wildlife. Oh, it's a big deer. That's huge. Isn't it a mule deer?
Yeah.
They got big ears.
Here.
So we hiked with the deer today.
Their ears are huge.
We think those are the mule deer.
That's
Yeah.
the lady said they were mule deer. Hey, buddy. Nice reindeer.
I think they call them a mule deer because how big their ears are. They look like a
look
mule.
like a mule, don't they?
Yeah.
Something was someone's.
A meal was had here, I think.
Either way, poor thing.
Yeah.
Are you out just checking everything out?
Yeah, I hiked all the way to the edge of the lake and turned around and headed back down.
This is probably the most beautiful hike we've done. Oh, this is.
I love it.
I think this is my favorite.
What other hikes have you guys done?
Well, not many.
Okay.
We did Sperry Trail,
Oh, did you go all the way up to like Fish Lake or the
Fish
Lake,
Lake.
or did you do Snyder Lake?
Fish Lake.
We thought we were going to John's Lake,
Ah.
and we ended up at Fish Lake.
Well, actually, that eventually connects over.
Let's try again now.
He's taking his shoes off.
We've arrived at Avalanche Lake.
So I found my three of the nomads. They're resting. They're resting. End of the hike.
I know. He wants something down here.
Well, we've disturbed him. He wants something. I know.
Oh, my stick may be in his way.
Oh, is that your stick back
That's my
there?
stick.
Can you get that?
We are at Avalanche Lake. Look at us go. We finally made it here. Check out this view.
And this must be from all the snow falling off the mountain. It doesn't really look very easy.
We hiked back the Avalanche Lake Trail. We went down to the Trail of the Cedars Nature Trail, and that's where we picked up some of these structures or pictures of trees and tree stumps on our way back. And overall, the day was great. This was a second hike that we'd done at Glacier. The first one was about 6.1 miles. This one was 5 miles. So far, 11 miles are about here in West Glacier. We enjoyed our time. We enjoyed the scenery, and we enjoyed all of the unique animals and wildlife that we saw. See you next time.